welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn off the save mode on your Samsung phone. So in order to turn off your save mode, you can just do this using two methods. So the first method is actually swiping down, and once you swipe down, you are going to see this right here where it says save mode is on. So once you tap on it, you're going to see this. You're going to see this which it says turn off save mode, and once you click on save mode, your phone is going to reset, and once it's reset and it boots on, you're not going to see the save mode again. Or you can just simply click on your power button, or you just swipe down again and click on your power button, and you're going to click on reset. So once you click on reset, it's going to automatically reset your phone, and the save mode is going to be turned off on once your phone resets. So this is literally how to turn off the save mode on your Samsung phone. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.